In this video, we compare DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo and Avata Explorer Drone Combo. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo is a lightweight drone that doesn't require registration for recreational use, making it an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists. It offers stunning 4K 60 FPS HDR video capabilities, capturing striking footage of sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with remarkable clarity. The drone features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and providing a safer flying experience. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the DJI Mini 4 Pro can achieve extended flight times of up to 45 minutes per battery, enabling longer, uninterrupted flights. The drone provides real-time, high-quality aerial footage with 20-kilometer FHD video transmission, offering immersive, lag-free viewing experiences. The DJI Mini 4 Pro also offers customizable intelligent tracking with active shots 360 degrees, making it easy to capture smooth, professional-grade videos. The DJI Avata Explorer Drone Combo provides an immersive flight experience with its integrated wearing design and the inclusion of DJI goggles Integra and DJI RC Motion 2. The drone features an upgraded camera system, offering ultra-smooth 4K footage with a 1.7-inch sensor and a super-wide 155 degrees FOV, providing next-level imagery. Despite its compact palm-sized design, the Avata is capable of agile maneuvers, making it ideal for adventures. The Avata drone offers an impressive 18-minute flight time and enhanced safety with a built-in propeller guard, allowing it to handle minor contact and continue flying. The drone is backed by DJI O3 Plus video transmission, providing a sharp and responsive HD live feed at distances of up to 10 kilometers. The Avata Explorer Combo is compliant with FAA Remote ID rules, making it a reliable and legal choice for drone enthusiasts. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo and the DJI Avata Explorer Drone Combo are both high-quality drones from DJI, offering unique features tailored to different user needs. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo, with its 4K 60 FPS HDR video capabilities and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, is ideal for capturing professional-grade videos with remarkable clarity. It also boasts an extended flight time of up to 45 minutes per battery, making it suitable for longer, uninterrupted flights. In contrast, the DJI Avata Explorer Drone Combo provides an immersive flight experience with its integrated wearing design and the inclusion of DJI goggles Integra and DJI RC Motion 2. It features a super-wide 155 degrees FOV and an upgraded camera system for next-level imagery. Although it has a slightly shorter flight time of 18 minutes, it compensates with a built-in propeller guard for enhanced safety. Both drones offer high-quality aerial footage with FHD video transmission, but the DJI Mini 4 Pro has a longer range of 20 kilometers compared to the Avata's 10 kilometers. In terms of compliance, the DJI Mini 4 Pro doesn't require registration for recreational use, while the Avata Explorer Combo is compliant with FAA Remote ID rules. Ultimately, the choice between the two would depend on the specific needs and preferences of the user.